Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have created this glittery makeup look. So this look is suitable for going to glamorous parties or a big event or birthday, even for a wedding function as well. So for this look, I have used a lot of glitter eyeshadows. And I have kept the color theme of the look as lavender, and I have used shades according to that. So even on the eyes also I have used shades of lavender. In even the glittery eyeshadow that I have used is of a lavender base. To make this look brighter, I have applied a brightening moisturizer underneath the CC cream that I have used, and also finished up this look with a makeup spray that has brightening effect as well. The makeup spray that I have used is the Makeup Revolution Makeup Fix Pro Makeup Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. This is the one. This is a beautiful spray, and even if you are not wearing very glamorous or bright makeup look, you can just on your simple makeup look, you can just spray it over and you will get a very brightening and beautiful dewy skin look. This product is really amazing. If you want to buy the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, check the website notino.co.uk. The direct link will be given in the description box below. Please go ahead and check. Keep on watching this video to see how I have got this glittery makeup look.
Find the lovers of the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. I'm coming now, follow my lead. I'm coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every lady's covering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Maybe ladies covered in something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy.
So yes, this was how I have achieved this glittery makeup look. It was very easy. All you need for this look is a glittery eyeshadow and also a lipstick that has some glitter. I could have done with, you know, a highlighter that has glitter or that has some purple tint. I have that, but right now I could not find it, so I used my usual highlighter. So yes, that's all about it. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.